Survival Seed 2026 collab, and today is going to be tomato time, planting time. These are my little Romas, and I'm going to put them right here on the end of my other pastel tomatoes, and I think I got enough room to get these in, and then we'll have to put the Brandywine over there with the tomatitos or whatever they're called. So, but I got my old cheap Chinese planter, and we'll get them all planted here, and I think I've got like 32 my variety of paste tomatoes that I grow. These are Romas, and I've grown these were great success Romas, and I just wanted to try these a little. They're supposed to be a little more heat tolerant, so we'll find out. And I had excellent germination on these. I had two. I looked at them in the plug trays over there when I was pulling them out. I had two that did not germinate out of I didn't count how many I had, but we'll see when we get done here. And that's pretty good, I think, germination wise. So let's go ahead and get these planted, and I got this. Hopefully this will finish out my row of field tomatoes, and I'll let you guess how many I got in this row. I know how many I've got up to this point, so we'll see how many of these we got, and then we'll add to it, and you can kind of guess it in the comments. And if you guess right, you won't win a prize or nothing. Just be personal satisfaction. All right, let's get these planted, and then we'll go. If I got room here, I will put them here. If I don't, we'll put the Brandywine over there. So let's get these in the ground. Planted 16 Romas. A couple of them are kind of small, but under that plastic is perfect conditions. Got a lot of moisture in there. It's got quite a bit of rain. I don't know if it's come down and run under there or what, but won't have to worry about watering them today. Plus it's cloudy. So I've got this planted 16 Romas. That will bring this up to 148 tomato plants in this row. So that's quite a bit. I got 166 in my high tunnel, and I've got a video on that. You can go back a couple of videos ago and watch that. All right, let's go over there where the other Survivor plants are, Survivor Seed 2026 plants are, and we'll plant these Brandywine. We'll talk about that when we get over. Next is a pink Brandywine. This one's kind of small, but I'm gonna go ahead and plant it. I think kind of starting to get a little bit root bound. I might not put them in the right plug tray, but that's all right. We're gonna begin them planted here, and so I had all of them germinate but one, so that's really pretty good. And got several of them, and basically the same deal. Now, I tried to grow Brandywine when I first started market gardening. I watched a guy on YouTube, and I think I've told this story before, but he said, oh, the only tomatoes you need to grow are red Brandywine, pink Brandywine, and it's another Brandywine. So I went all in, did all my tomatoes in Brandywine, and I think I got 2 tomatoes out of all of them. So, but I'm a lot better gardener than I was back then. So, but I never have tried them again. So this will be a good experiment for me, and I'll keep a watch eye on them. I kind of know they're in my area, because it's so humid. They're a little bit difficult to grow, but kind of learned some techniques to compensate for that. So we'll see how it goes. I got some of them planted there. I'm gonna get the rest of them planted, and I'll show you when I get them done. And I'll fertilize them probably in about a week. So you can see down the row, this is all survivor seeds on this row here. I've got, of course, those Brandywines I just planted. And I got the tomatitos, cucumbers, and zucchini down at the end. It's really looking good. So the only thing I got left, I got my basil, and it's getting pretty close. I'm gonna wait another week on it. Celery finally started coming up, so I'll have some celery to plant, then the peppers. I think that pretty much wraps that up. My spinach did not germinate, and I wish I'd waited till the fall to plant it, but you know, I don't know what I was thinking. But anyway, all the tomatoes are done. Then we'll do basil next, and peppers will probably go in the high tunnel, so they're just about that big. It's not been real good pepper growing weather, so that's why I don't have any peppers planted yet. All right, Survival 2026. I'm getting long-winded. I try not to. I can talk forever about gardening, but it's all right. That's tomatoes planted, the Romas and the Brandywines. We'll see you in the next video.